Hi, I'm the Moss Man, and today we're going to be taking this old terrarium and we're going to be making something new with it. Let's get into the video. Okay, so we're starting with taking everything apart, and obviously I want to salvage as much as possible. Don't want to be throwing stuff away. And since most of it is soil components and hardscape, first we take out the rocks, get rid of the dead plants, and then I'm going to put everything else in a bag to potentially mix in with some soil later on. And then once we're done cleaning out the container, I'm going to pick up some of the plants that I wanted. In the video it shows me taking some creeping fig, variegated creeping fig. That's just because I couldn't find what I wanted, which was a nerve plant. But I did eventually find said nerve plant, and so the creeping fig was put back. But after that, I thought it would be interesting to try and do something similar to what I did with my waterfall terrarium, where I plan it out in Photoshop first, which allows me to kind of move around the elements and experiment with what it's going to look like without having to put all the plants and everything in there physically. So yeah, this is that process. Now finally, I'm going to be putting the terrarium together. Okay, so we're starting with the drainage layer, which is just a layer of rocks at the bottom, and then we have a kind of filter, which is that mesh that I put down. It's for gripping at the bottom of cabinets, but it works perfectly for this, and it doesn't biodegrade. And then on top of this, I'm putting a layer of charcoal for an extra layer of filtration. And of course, on top of all of this, I begin building the terrarium that I designed in Photoshop. You can actually see that I have it up off to the side on one of my monitors. And yeah, I will just let you experience the rest of the video from now until the outro. So, see you in a sec. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'd like to thank all the musicians who provided music for this video. Their names will be in the description. Sorry this one took so long to come out. Hopefully the next one will be a little bit quicker. So I'll see you in the next one.